What you see here is the GWS 1525 CI Professional Angle Grinder from Bosch. It combines maximum performance with high user safety. Its powerful 1500-watt motor has constant electronic and ensures fast work progress. Thanks to its innovative new motor, direct motor cooling and overload protection, this angle grinder has the longest average carbon brush lifetime and tool lifetime in its class. It also offers the most comprehensive safety features in its class. Thanks to its kickback stop function, it automatically detects when the disc jams and shuts the tool down immediately. The angle grinder has a restart protection feature that prevents the tool from automatically restarting after a power cut. It's also equipped with an anti-rotation protective guard and a Bosch vibration control auxiliary handle. Experience for yourself the GWS 1525 CI Professional, the angle grinder with maximum performance and high user safety.